Welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial you will learn how to build up full e-commerce landing page, and you will show that in this website absolutely amazing and elegant, really. Okay, so let me discuss about Apple e-commerce website landing page like that. All right, so it's the time to start build of our new project, which is going to one of the biggest and elegant and on one of the most interesting ones. We are going to create this build of this website like that, something like in the Apple e-commerce website. And before we start the write code as usual, so just refresh in my browser and you will show that here is the carousel like that slider, and the moving of the forward and up and down, right and right, left, right. Okay, this is most interesting things. Okay, so let's go ahead and describe the project. It will consist of the couple of different section like that: iPhone 12 and MacBook Air and watch airport. Like click this here, MacBook Air, and you will show that here it will open a video slider and it will load it Ajax. And if you want, you will build up this section like that: Ajax or jQuery or only vanilla JavaScript. Okay, this is awesome, really interesting. So it will included our several parts of, we will have to long logo like that here, logo, Apple logo, and the navigation with hover effect like that. Navigation is the hover effect. Okay, so we will build up this nice box here with this control section, obviously left, right, moving, forwarding. And if you want, just click this right and it will be forwarding this. Okay, so this is 3D feature. Then you will show that just refresh your browser and simply, and you will show that in the background images and loaded of the next section like include here like that once again. Then it will be automatically change now background. Okay, then you will again refresh. Okay, nicely. So after 1 second or 2 second later, then it will be changes background effect automatically, and you will show that. And after 2 or 3 seconds, then it will be show automatically. Okay, then in this here like that, and you will show that background color change automatically. And so this is nice, and you will show that iPhone 12. And really it is interesting part. Here is the two button, and like that click here, it's nothing but you will show that two button. Okay, this is, and actually here is the on a slider like that. Click this here, then if you want like this, then it will change automatically. And when you will come back in your in the below, then you will show that absolutely here like that. Okay, I chose it this, and just now by now. Okay, so this is amazing and it's really interesting. And you will show that another slider here. If you want, choose this and just click this here, and just click this, and I choose it. Okay, just select it and just buy now. Okay, so this is really interesting. So here you will show that airport, and it will be learn more and buy now. Okay, so this section is the footer section like that. You will show that Apple, and here airport, iPhone, and airports, and that's it. And section like that, you will show that like copyright issue, and your wife could come in your company names or year. Okay, so this is our project, and it will be really interesting for our beginners, and it's not like that beginners, it's actually today I'll finish this tutorial, and I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. And if you want to like to do, like my video, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel, and I hope see you soon in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.